Alright, so I mean you probably already figured this out, but it's a Kia Optima. This is the old part right here. This is the new part. It's the inner tie rod, outer tie rod. This old part, as you can see, I had to cut it. It was really rusted. But how do you get that off? I mean, I got that's a tool set right there, right? It usually has like these hooks that you put on here. But anyway, I just used some channel locks, vice grips, put it on there, bow, hit it with a hammer. But usually usually you have, you know, something that you can put your little adapters onto. You can use this tool right here, but on this car don't have it. Luckily wasn't on there real tight. So anyways, just make sure you got a little grease on there. Put it in, tighten it up. I'm gonna get it hand tight, then I'm gonna crank it, then I'm gonna lock this onto it and just turn it real good. Put the boot back on. Yada yada yada. Anyways, I just made this video because it's very, you know, most of the tie rods are supposed to have like little indentations right there where you can put your tool onto it, but these don't. So anyways, this is a 2014 Kia Optima inner tie rods.